It's funny. So I've been studying chemistry, physics, quantum physics, and the Torah, man, biology, everything. And I understand why people like Terrence Howard say 1+1 = 1 and 1 - 1 does not equal 0. And I'm about to try to explain it. Okay, so right here, you have a basic atom. An atom is one proton and one neutron. And then you also have a nucleus, but that's essentially what an atom is made out of, or a particle. So essentially, this is a hydrogen atom you're looking at. If you take one atom or one proton away from a hydrogen atom, which is comprised of everything around you, it has hydrogen in it, you're going to get an ion. So 1 - 1 = 1 ion. Noted here. If you take away a proton or a neutron from an atom, you get a charged ion. Based on what was taken from that ion, that lets you know if the ion is going to be positively charged or negatively charged. So essentially, 1 - 1 does not equal 0. It equals plus or -1, or a charged ion, which is a proton or electron that's missing its proton or its electron. Now for the Torah. The Most High, the God of Elohim, of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, says that when one flesh merges with another flesh, man and woman, they become one flesh. Didn't say 2. 1 + 1 spiritually equals 1 as well. And once the flesh merge, they become an atom. You have a nucleus and a proton, which would be the man, and a woman, which would be the electron. The only way you could split is through fission, through nuclear fission, and that causes chaos. That's why you're not really supposed to divorce each other. So I could keep going on and on about this and how it works, but here's a general broad understanding how 1 + 1 does not equal 1 and 1 - 1 doesn't equal 0. Math is a construct and is layered, and you can't look at everything linear. Once you kind of look at life like that, a lot of things that start to kind of change your perspective on how you look at things.